biggest problem you get with most of the time is that people are doing this all the time. They're just, attention deficit is basically gone straight out the window. Their attention is on here.
In the zone.
They're in the zone. How do you fix it? Well, the obvious thing to do is put your phone away. I'm going to give the phone to Nick. But the reality is, everybody knows that, we don't do that. People will either punch you or surprise you because you were the sucker who was standing there on their phone and didn't, can I just have your phone again please?
Sure.
And didn't pay attention to someone coming in and going bang, striking you straight away. But let's just say that happens. Worst case scenario, I'm going to put this down because it's not my phone, I don't want to drop it. You let go of your phone, okay? Don't hold on to it for life. Whatever you've got in your hands, you have to get yourself action ready. So that basically means drop your phone, drop your bags, whatever it is, free your hands and get ready to defend yourself. Even if you have to run, you still need to be in an action mode to be able to do that. By hanging onto your belongings straight away, which I know this is counterintuitive. Someone wants your bag, someone wants your phone, someone wants something of you. If you're hanging onto it, it doesn't put you in an action ready state. What it does is it puts you in a handicap. It puts you in a state of handicap because you're trying to hang on to your belongings and so on. And to a certain degree that's fine, but you need to be able to fight back. So given the element of surprise, put yourself into action mode. This is the biggest mistake that most people make. They stand there on their phone. Whoa, you've got lots of messages on here.
I have, haven't I?
You're pretty popular, aren't you? Whoa, say no more. I get no messages on my phone.
It's not YouTube followers.
Nobody's interested in me. Anyway, let's get back to the video. Hopefully that's been of interest. If you do like what we do, we are running some online courses, some online training. Follow the links in the description below. Hopefully you'll join us. You'll come along and
you'll be more than welcome.
Yeah, have some fun. Thanks for watching, guys.